Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before proceeding, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. This helps us to continue to share this great content. Today I'm sharing a story from Mr. N Jr. and his girlfriend who went hiking in Iceland. They tackled Ásólfsskálakirkja, and from the way they described it and the video they brought back, you really feel like you're walking the trail with them. The hike kicks off in these wide open fields, and right away you're greeted by Iceland's most famous locals, the sheep. They're everywhere. And here's something cool. In Iceland, the sheep spend the whole summer roaming free. Each one has markings on its ears that tell which farmer it belongs to. So when roundup season comes at the end of summer, they can all be identified and brought back down. Until then, it's sheep paradise. So here's the deal. This hike isn't too long, but it's got just the right balance. There aren't official numbers posted on the trail, but based on their GPS and maps, it's about 5 to 8 kilometers round trip, with roughly 250 to 400 meters of elevation gain. It took them around 2 to 3 hours, moving at an easy pace and stopping often to take in the scenery. As they climbed higher, the landscape shifted, mossy green patches over dark volcanic rock. And then the waterfalls. They said there were several along the way, some small streams tumbling down the rocks, and others taller, more dramatic drops you could see in the distance. One of the best parts of the hike was pausing by these falls, just listening to the water, completely surrounded by that rugged Icelandic landscape. And all the while, the views kept changing. No glaciers on this hike, but plenty of those raw, textured scenes Iceland is famous for. What they loved most was the peace and quiet. Hardly any other hikers out there, just the two of them, the sheep, the waterfalls, and that classic Icelandic wind. And yes, the wind was fierce. Jackets were definitely needed. For them, Ásólfsskálakirkja was the perfect afternoon adventure. Not too long, not too tough, but full of those little magical moments where you just stop and think, wow, this is Iceland. So that's their story from Ásólfsskálakirkja.